All right, guys, 2018 Ford F-150 XLT 2.7 liter twin turbo. Let me show you guys what we got done on this thing. So he brought his own downpipes and high flow cats. There's a brand right there, guys. That's the brand of them. Now they did not fit correctly. We had to cut and modify them to make them fit. So just a heads up, they might not fit correctly. We had to modify that right there, as you guys can see. Right before the O2 suns, we had to add an extension. It was about four inches too short. This side bolted on nicely, no issues, but this side was short, so we fixed it. And then we had to modify it here to make it fit into the Carven R's that were installed right there with the side pipe. It's a custom dual tip out the back, and then there's the custom Carven. And then the downpipes, high flows, made by this company right there, CVFA Fabrication. It's a clean truck, really good looking truck. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you wait till the drive off at the end, too. You guys want to follow his bro? Right there, that's his Instagram, Chef_Don28. That's really nice. Let it all go down. All right, go ahead and back it up. Sounds really nice. What you guys hear on the inside? Chef Don 28. He's a chef, which I like because I like food, and he's a car guy, which I like. So he's perfect. That's what we like to hear.